Check out the cool bird, dude. Thing's white with a little bill. I can't remember what that thing's called. I want to say it's a heron, but I don't think it is. Whoa. Ooh, that thing looks cool. It's a big bill, and it's like all sleek and stuff. It's all right there in the little swamp type thing. Wow. These guys are just chowing down. They're having a good time. And there's a bunch in the tree, too. What? It's like a whole flock of them almost. Dude, that's cool. Check out this bird. He's all by himself. It's amazing. Look at the coloration. Wow. Thing looks really cool. What is that? He's cleaned himself. He's got a big little beak. He's pecking on it. He's got little plumage there at the back. Wow, it's amazing. That's a great looking bird.